Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the grouped middleware. What is the grouped middleware, how we can make it, how we can register it, and how we can apply it with the routes. And at the last I will ask you an interview question. You can attempt this interview question in the comment box if you want. If you don't want, then please read about it if you don't know the answer of this question at least, right? So in the previous video we learned about what is the middleware and about the global middleware. So if you want to watch this video, link is given in the description box. So now question is, what is grouped middleware? So let's say we have the 20 routes and we want to apply some middleware only on the 10 routes or specifically on the 5 routes. So how we can apply the middleware on some specific routes, right? For that we will actually use the grouped middleware. So now let's create some pages first of all, and then we will just apply the middleware on it, right? So I am just going to make some pages in a view like user.blade.php I already have. Then let's just remove the extra thing from here, right? Here you can see that, and let's make me one more middleware, one more view, which is home.blade.php, and I'm just going to create one more for no access dot blade.php, right? And now just hit it. Let's make a h1 tag here and just simply write here, you cannot access this page, right? And similarly just go for the home and let's put some text. This is home page or something, right? So that's okay. So now let's make the routes for them. Just go for the web.php and just create the 3 routes for all of them. Just write a route view and just put a URL for it and the view file name home. And similarly let's create 2 more for the users. My bad. And then at the last for no access, right? So now let's create a middleware here and apply. Okay, so first of all let's try to access them. Are they able to accessible or not? So just put here home, this is working. Users, okay, users not found. What's wrong with it? Because I don't put here users. So now this is working. Now no access, this is also working. So now let's create a middleware. So just simply write here php artisan make middleware, and middleware name let's say is check. Hit the enter. Middleware is created. Where it is created? In the app http middleware, and here it is, right? So now let's register it. For that let's go to the kernel.php, and keep in mind in the previous video we register our is check middleware inside the global array, right? On that one, now we will register it inside the middleware group, right? So just put any group name like protected pages, protected page or something, whatever you want to put the name here. And now let's just define any route name, copy and paste it, and change the name with the change age, right? So now let's put a condition inside it. So just go here and let's write here, if the age is less than 18, then user should be just redirected on the no access page, right? So like this. So just put here $request is requested and $request age is less than 18, right? So then what should be need to done? Return redirect. And what we need to redirect here? So just write here on the redirection page, which is no access, like this. And now let's apply this middleware on the routes also. So just go to the web.php, and I want to check the age only for the one route. So let's say for the home, right? And we just want to check the age only for the two routes, not for the all, right? So we will just do this thing here. So just write here route group, and it have an array. In the first array we will just tell that we are going to apply a middleware here. So just write here, and it have an array, and we will put our middleware name protected page, sorry. Let me check the name once again. So is it fine? Okay, protected page. Just write here, it's not protect page, right? And let's okay, this is also again an array, so just use it like an array here. And let's close the just use an anonymous function in the second parameter, and here we can put the routes that we want to use for where we want to filter the age, right? So just put it like this, and I need to remove this comma from here, right? Okay, so let's access the home first of all, and my age is 10. So now you can see that this is accessible because this route is not registered inside the middleware, right? And now let's do the same thing with the users page, and now you can see that we got the no access page, right? So even we can just go for the welcome page also with the age 10. This is working fine, right? So let's apply the welcome page also inside the middleware like this. And now if I'm just going to use for the welcome page, then it will just give us the no access page. So this is the way that how we can use the group middleware. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Now it's time to answer your question. So my question is that can we use the two routes or two middleware with the single grouped route, right? So just answer this question in the comment box if you want, and bye bye and take care.